Good morning, friends, and happy Wednesday. I'm 27 days away from my Disney solo trip. I am so excited to go. If you guys are not following me over on my Disney and Travel channel, Adventures in Wonderland, go on over there right now and do that. Adventures in Wonderland. I know some of you guys were having a problem with the link, and I'm not exactly sure why. I'm still kind of looking into that and still tweaking things over there on my YouTube channel. But if you just type in Adventures in Wonderland, you're gonna see a cute little picture of me, and I'll insert it right here where you guys can see the picture. I've got ears on. I'm looking like, yeah, so cute. Yeah, you guys can find Adventures in Wonderland over there. Just go look for it and subscribe to that channel because I'll be putting up a bunch of Disney vlogs after my trip, and I'm going to be doing a Q&A here coming up really quickly that I'm going to post before my trip and give you guys some insight on my trip. You guys have asked me some great questions and I love it. If you guys have any more questions, please leave those in the comments below, or go over to my Adventures in Wonderland channel and leave the questions in the comments section below as well. A lot easier if you did it over there because it's all related to that channel. So anyway, happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, guys. So remember yesterday when I said in my video that posted today, the beginning of it, I have a little like thing typed up that says, I had an intro, but I don't know what happened to it. Yeah, I have no clue what happened to it. Sometimes it's weird with like these SD cards. I don't know. But anyway, nonetheless, I had shared a couple of things in that morning intro that I wanted to share with you guys, and I couldn't because it got erased or deleted or lost or whatever. But anyway, I went to my post office box yesterday, or my post office yesterday. Now I have P.O. box, but I went to my post office yesterday and asked them some questions, and I got some boxes. So yes, I can go in there and get those boxes. Same area where I got that box the other day, where I kind of just took it because I didn't know, which it was fine. But there's boxes behind there that I can just go grab and take at any time. So I'm very happy about that. And she said they're free, no worries. So I'm good. I'm happy with that. I just put my stuff in there from Poshmark and ship it away. So that's great. And I could actually just ship it and give it to my mailman here at the house, which I love that too, because if I don't want to go out anywhere that day, I can just box it up and put it in, give it to him, and it's all good to go. So that's all good, squared away. I figured that all out. The other thing that I got while I was at the post office were these. Look at these villain stamps. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Now I will never use these stamps. I will just keep them forever. I will just put them away like in a plastic container in a 3-ring binder and keep those just like I have my Elvis stamps kept away. I have to find those. I know they're here somewhere, obviously, but yeah, I have Elvis stamps too, and then I got the cute little snowy day stamps last year. They're so cute. I love like certain stamps, and I know Mr. Rogers just came out with some stamps, and I actually wanted to get those, but I saw the Disney ones and I'm like, had to have them. So I love the Disney villains, the Dylans. That's the new way to call them, the Dylans. But anyway, alrighty, so I'm getting ready to go tanning. I've already made up my bed, and then as soon as I get back from tanning, I might be doing something else, and then I'm going to shower and get myself ready for the day. And then I'm going to start doing my month of the purge. So today I'm gonna start like in the bathroom and do that. And another thing, Brian's cousin texted me this morning and she's like, hey, what are you guys doing for Memorial Day weekend? I'm like, well, the day after Memorial Day, Brian's leaving for a business trip and I'm leaving for a business trip to Disney. So, hey, what's up? She said that they might be coming for the weekend. So the 25th to the 28th, which is great. But I know that my neighbors next door always have like a 3-day Memorial Day bring it in the summer bash type of thing, and so I told her that, and I mean they're more than welcome to join us as well, which would be fun. They do get a little rowdy over there sometimes, but it should be fun. But if they're going to be here, guess what Angie needs to do? Yep, Angie needs to start doing these, and Angie needs to finish doing her islands over there and painting that. Yeah. So I have a lot on my plate for the month of May. Lots of stuff that I need to get done, that I should get done. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna start taking the cabinets off down here and doing this section maybe today, and starting this section, and then taking these doors outside since it's nice and 80 degrees and it's gonna be beautiful outside, that I thought I'd go ahead and take those doors off and start painting those, and then paint the frame as well and get this section done. And then in between all that and laundry and doing my other regular household chores and my purge, I'm going to also paint the island over there in the kitchen. So with that being said, May is going to be busy because not only do I have to do all that, I actually have to get packing as well for my trip and for Brian's trip. So right now though, I keep wanting to go right there for the light. I am headed to the tanning bed, and I know some of you guys don't like the whole tanning thing, but I like it. It makes me feel better. And it's just great for me. And I love it. So I'm sorry. But we can still be friends, right? Because even though I go tanning, we can all still be friends. Hey guys! Right? So after I went tanning, I came back home and immediately started working on a project in the kitchen, one that I've been wanting to get done for quite some time. And I've been working on my island. And this color so far is looking so good. I love the way that it's looking. Everything just looks amazing. And I gotta paint the inside of the doors. I gotta take those off and do it. But those, I mean, this color looks so good. I got this side done as well. This is drying. So this part looks really, really good. This part looks good as well. I've already removed some paper, but I have to go back and touch up the very, very bottom part of that because that's where I missed. But this is looking so nice. I don't know how well you guys can see the color or whatever, but it's phenomenal. I'm about ready to paint the back now. So that's what I've been working, that's what I'm about ready to work on here, is the back. So yeah, I'm excited. It's coming together very nicely. Alrighty, so I finished this side of it. Again, I just have to get some paper and get down real close to the bottom there, that it's on my floor, close to the floor, because I will make a mess of the floor if I get that on there. So, which I already got a little bit on there, but that'll come up with magic eraser. But this is what it looks like. It's still drying. You can see some spots on it, but I love this color. I love the way that it turned out. I think that it's absolutely gorgeous. And it just kind of like brightens up the space over there. I love that. It's so pretty. So, because I love that color, I decided to paint this. This is one little problem though. I cannot get like the little hinges and stuff off of these. So I think I'm gonna have Brian try to like really kind of get those off, because I really would like to change those. So that's what I'm going to try to do, see if he can get those off. But that's just one coat. I just wanted to cover it and see what it looks like, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to be taping off that mirror too, and I'm going to actually paint that white. So that's gonna look nice. And then eventually I will get to our dresser because that's gonna need painted as well, and then new handles and stuff on it too. That dresser was actually, that dresser is probably, from what I've been told, oh, there's a walker. From what I've been told, that is probably about 45 years old. So that's the same age as me and Brian. Brian's mom and dad had that as like their first wedding set when they got married, like their wedding bedroom set, and she's had it forever. And then she gave it to us, man, when did she give that to us? 10 years ago, 12 years ago, and obviously I painted it at that time black. And I just haven't changed it since, but it's been such a great piece of furniture. It's super heavy. It was one of those like very expensive pieces of furniture 45 years ago, but it's definitely lasted. It was like a really cool color, like greenish mix color, but it wasn't like an ugly green. It was just a really cool green. Something that would look really cool like today. But obviously when she gave it to me, I spray painted it years ago. And yes, I spray painted that thing. It looks so good though. I love it. I love the way it turns out. It's been so great for us for the past 12 years that, you know, we haven't needed anything new, but now it's time to update and paint. So that's what I've been doing. So I'm just gonna let that dry for a little bit. And then hopefully when Brian gets home, obviously when he gets home, I could ask him about the, you know, hinges, if he could just take those off or whatever for me. But yes, oh my God, I'm loving it. But I'm gonna tell you guys right now, because I've been doing this and I've been crawling around on the floor in the kitchen and I crawled in here, my back's gonna be bothering me. My lower back, it's gonna be a problem. So I'm actually gonna go take some Aleve right now to relieve the pain that's probably going to ensue. All right guys, so I went ahead and put another coat on this record player thing. It's really hard to fill in these spots because this is like a material where the speakers and stuff were, so it's really hard to like paint those spots, but this thing turned out so pretty. Obviously it still has some time to dry. There's still some wet spots or whatever, and then of course little touch-ups here and there that I need to make, and some spots that I've missed. But other than that, honestly, this is the prettiest color I have ever used to paint anything with, honestly. And this is the Sherwin-Williams Pro Classic, and it's in the color Underseas, which is amazing. I love this color. It is the best color that I've ever used. And now it's like I want to paint my nightstands now the same color. And I'm gonna paint that the same color, which that is probably gonna get painted tomorrow because I am on a roll. I wanna get this stuff done. But oh my gosh, it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. So yeah, it's 2 o'clock and I'm whooped because I've been painting the island and I've painted that thing. And I'm definitely whooped. So I've got to end the vlog here so I can get this up and edited for tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I know it wasn't very exciting. I've just got some stuff that I have got to get done. But thanks. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.